Time, it's the one thing we all have in equal measure, yet how we use it determines the quality of our lives. Managing a 24-hour lifestyle isn't about cramming more tasks into the day. It's about mastering rhythm, discipline, and balance. Every minute carries weight, and how you spend it shapes who you become. For me, the first step is awareness, understanding where my time truly goes. Most people drift through their days reacting to things, not creating them. But I choose to design my day. Every hour has intention. From the moment I wake up, I aim to set the tone. I focus on clarity, energy, and purpose. Morning isn't just a routine. It's a foundation for everything that follows. Discipline is what transforms chaos into control. I break my 24 hours into sections: time to work, time to rest, time to think, and time to grow. Productivity doesn't mean constant motion. It means moving with purpose. I don't chase every distraction or waste energy on things that don't serve my long-term vision. Every yes has a cost, so I've learned the power of saying no to negativity, to procrastination, to noise. Managing a 24-hour lifestyle also means respecting rest. Sleep isn't weakness, it's strategy. Recovery keeps my body sharp, my mind focused, and my creativity alive. I schedule downtime with the same commitment I give to work because energy is my real currency. And through it all, balance becomes the anchor. A 24-hour lifestyle isn't about being busy, it's about being aligned. Every action connects to my goals, every hour has purpose, and every day moves me closer to the person I want to be. The first key to managing a 24-hour lifestyle is knowing exactly where your time goes. Most people underestimate how much they waste on distractions, endless scrolling, meaningless conversations, or mindless habits. But time is not renewable. Every second lost is gone forever. I make it a rule to track my time, identify the leaks, and redirect my focus toward what truly matters. Awareness turns chaos into clarity. Once you become conscious of time, you start living deliberately instead of accidentally. My day begins long before the world wakes up. The first hour sets the tone for the next 23. I don't rush, I prepare. I begin with silence, reflection, gratitude, and visualization. Then I move my body, feed my mind, and set clear intentions. The morning is where I align with my goals before the noise of the world takes over. It's not about how early I wake, but how purposeful that time feels. A strong morning equals a stronger mindset for the rest of the day. A 24-hour lifestyle doesn't mean a tight, robotic schedule. It means a balanced structure that supports creativity and productivity. I divide my day into clear blocks: focus, movement, communication, and rest. Each block serves a purpose. I plan what matters most early in the day when energy is high, leaving space later for reflection and recharge. The secret is in structure, not to confine your life, but to free your mind from constant decision making. Not every task deserves your time. The art of managing a full day lies in choosing what truly matters. I apply the Big Three, a rule: 3 main goals each day that align with my bigger vision. These are the non-negotiables. Everything else is flexible. I've learned that success isn't found in doing everything, it's in doing the right things consistently. When I prioritize with purpose, I control my day instead of letting the day control me. Time management means nothing without energy management. I treat my energy as my most valuable asset. I pay attention to what drains it: negative people, toxic habits, overthinking, and replace them with what refuels me: movement, hydration, sunlight, and silence. I take small breaks before burnout hits, not after. I don't let exhaustion become normal. Protecting energy isn't laziness, it's leadership over yourself. Learning to say no was one of the most powerful shifts in my life. Every yes is a trade, a piece of your time, focus, or peace. I used to overcommit, thinking it meant ambition. Now I understand that real discipline is in selectivity. I only say yes to things that serve my purpose, my growth, or my peace. Boundaries don't limit me, they protect my progress. Time is too short to live for everyone else's priorities. Rest is not a reward, it's part of the process. I've learned that recovery fuels performance. Just like a phone that needs recharging, the mind and body demand balance. I schedule rest the same way I schedule work. I unplug from screens, spend quiet time alone, and let my thoughts breathe. Resting with intention allows me to return sharper, more creative, and emotionally grounded. In a 24-hour lifestyle, rest is the reset that keeps everything aligned. In the end, managing a 24-hour lifestyle isn't about doing more, it's about being more. Every day is a blank canvas, and how you use your hours becomes the story of your life. The truth is, time doesn't wait for anyone. It moves whether you move with it or not. When you learn to master your 24 hours to balance discipline with rest, ambition with peace, and purpose with presence, you no longer chase time, you command it. Each sunrise gives you another 24 hours, another chance to grow, to build, to live intentionally. Don't waste it living someone else's rhythm. Design your day, protect your focus, honor your energy, because at the end of it all, how you manage your 24 hours determines not just your success, but the quality of your story.